Inside of Civil 3D 2020.1, you can now access ArcGIS Online directly inside of Civil 3D via the connector for ArcGIS. With the connector, you can streamline the population of rich GIS data directly into your design environment, which will help you to make design decisions for your project. You can quickly select how you want the data represented inside of Civil 3D. With pipe network schema mapping, you can map attributes from the GIS data attributes to populate in your pipe network. When working with your GIS data, you want to be sure that you are working with the most current information. The connector keeps that live link to the data when updated in ArcGIS, but now you have the option to make changes to that data in Civil 3D and perform a save back to ArcGIS. In this example from our high resolution image, we can see that the manholes might not be located correctly. You can update the location and then save back to ArcGIS. This updates the information in ArcGIS Online. Having rich GIS data is key when moving into the design of your project. It helps the civil engineer to make better design decisions, such as horizontal and vertical alignment of new utilities. During the process of design, when the design is approved, through construction, and when as-built are created, this data needs to be updated at all stages of the project to reflect the latest information. Now with the ability to publish to ArcGIS Online, you can take advantage of the live link to data and ensure that not only existing conditions data is up to date, but all stages of the project data is up to date and can be accessed by all stakeholders.